Prime Minister Narendra Modi will deliver a video address today at the plenary session of the Eastern Economic Forum 2022 being held in Russia's Vladivostok. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar will pay an official visit to Japan for the second India-Japan 2+2 ministerial meeting from today. HSPDP on yesterday announced its decision to field Sanjit Kansai Shangrit as its official candidate from Nongstoin constituency for the upcoming 2023 elections. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has said that India means opportunities and it is not India's decade but century. The minister said by the time India would celebrate the 100th anniversary of its independence, it would be a $30 trillion economy. CBI officials today raided 3 houses of West Bengal Law Minister M. Ghatak at Asansol in connection with the coal smuggling case.